What's up, everybody? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, I'm going to be going over one of the coolest new AI tools that I found. It helps you literally turn any video into Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, any type of short form video. It will take your long form video, chop it up, edit it, put the captions. It literally does it all for you in seconds. And here's the thing. You get 75 minutes of upload for free. That's right. You can do 75 minutes worth of uploaded video with this new app that I'm about to show you for free. This one's about to blow your mind. See you inside today's video. All right, everybody, Funnel Doc here. So this is Vidyo.AI. That's Vidyo.ai. And the link will be down in the description. You can click on that to be able to sign up. Now, this is an amazing new software that allows you to literally drag and drop your videos into it. It chops them up and gives you a ton of clips ready to go. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So all I did is I came in here. This is what it looks like when you log in. You're going to just drop your video in right here. But let's say that, for instance, right here, here's an example. I just did a Facebook Live. It was an hour long. And you see right here at the very top, see how it says 75 minutes. On the 7th of every month, you get another free 75 minutes. And this is on the free plan. And the 75 minutes, just so we're clear, this is uploaded video time. So you'll see right here, this video is 52 minutes and 18 seconds. That means, duh, it took 52 minutes of my 75. But you'll see here, look at all the clips it gave me. Look at all the clips. And you can redo, you can edit. There's so much for this. So let's say that I decided that I like this one right here, the future membership sites. As you can see, this is what it generated. Of course, you're like, okay, here's the problem. Here's the course, solve the problem. Where now I've got to, how cool is that? And let's say that I didn't like the angle, I didn't like the lettering, I want it to look different. All I do is go right here to edit and download video, and you've got a full-blown editor. That's right, you have a full-blown editor. So say I didn't like this. You know what? I wanted to go with something that grabs attention a little bit more. Boom. Or I wanted this guy where I'm highlighting here. Or I want to do it like this. Subscribe. You've got so many different templates. Or I want to go with the classic one that grabs a lot of attention. Or I want to move it up here. I mean, look, there's so much potential about this. And these are just the basic templates they come with, and it just goes on and on. Like maybe I like this guy. Look at that's grabbing attention right there. Boom. I really like this one. So those are the different templates. You'll see here's the clipped area right here. You can see the video of it. Now, that's not all. I know you guys are seeing that and you're like, Jeff, this is amazing. That's crazy. That's not all. You can come right here and use what they call cut magic, which will allow it to use AI to make sure that all the cuts and the clips flow even better. This is really awesome. You can play with the subtitles in here. You have fonts, you have the editor. You can add a progress bar, logos, outros. I mean, you can do so much. You can have other media you can import in here. Here's more text options. You've got AI background stuff. You've got hashtag and description generator. I mean, this literally is going to be, and you can upload it directly to social media itself when you get into paid versions. I mean, this guy right here is going to make, for those that are solopreneurs or looking to make a business of this. I mean, think about this. You can actually even upload YouTube videos to this. So let's say that I wanted to upload a video. All you do is click here. You can either drop your video, you can import it from any of these different sources, or like I was saying, you can actually put a YouTube video link. Imagine going to an influencer and they're not doing shorts for some reason. They're just making long form content. You can go get one of their popular videos, drop it in here, have the AI make everything for you, clean it up a little bit in the editor, and then download. That's right. Once you actually create these videos, it doesn't cost you anything to download them. Now, you just come here, like I was saying, you come in, you pick that video, come to the top right here, see it says download video, hit this bad boy. Now, they are in 720p for the free version. If you want 1080p, guess what? You pay for the pro version. And for pricing, it's really reasonable. You can do up to 300 minutes of upload for 30 bucks or 500 minutes of upload for 50 bucks a month. And so it's basically like $10 for every 100 minutes of upload, or like you could stay on the 75 and get the free plan. So you get a bunch of different stuff. I'm not going to go into it. what you get for signing up, but you get a bunch of different stuff. Go check it out. But this guy is going to be a game changer. You really need to check out. That's Vidyo.AI, and you're going to thank me for this one. So thanks so much for watching this video. Funnel Doc out. Peace.